Hey, Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. We're here today in Old South of London. We've got a beautiful addition we're doing to a home. All the framing's been done by AJD Renovations. Wonderful job. We are going to now put a new 2-ply flat roof system. We got a brand new roof, so we can put a peel and stick membrane on it. It's going to work great. We got a new trim on the outside. We'll show you what it looks like up top. Thank you. Okay, we've come up on top of the roof. Like I said, the framers did a wonderful job. We are ready to go. We got some wall detail we got to work on here, so we got to make sure. So this is a brick wall we're tying into, and we have a stucco chimney. So in these kind of details, what you want a wood flashing to be able to bring your membrane up, so that 90-degree detail is nice and tight. We have an eavesdrop on the inside that's going to be installed after we finish our drip flashing work. So there you go, brand new wood, prime it, base sheet. We'll show you what it looks like. Thanks a lot. Welcome back. We're on day 2, Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. The job's turned out wonderful so far. We have the base sheet on. We used a little stronger base sheet this time. This is a peel and stick base sheet, a little thicker, a little more reinforcement. We also have our wall flashings that we put up and a trim on the outside. So this base is a little different than we're used to. We welded this base on. One, also because we're in the winter time, and also it gives it another layer of protection. Now you have 2 welded sheets on your roof. There we go. We are going to prime it and start putting on a black cap sheet. The client wanted to go black this time. It's going to look wonderful. We'll show you what it looks like. Thanks. Hey, Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. We finished a job for a wonderful client here in Old South. Job turned out beautiful. He was able to rejuvenate a garage, basically give a new garage, new roof and everything. We gave a good slope on the roof. That's one of the important things when you come to roofing. You want to make sure that the water doesn't sit on the roof. It really helps the longevity of the roof. Beautiful 2-ply roof. We're able to tie his wall flashings in nicely with a stucco chimney and brick wall. It's going to get an eavesdrop in the end. Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. Hope you liked it. Hope you learned something. If you're in the southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.